So I just wanted to share with you guys a beautiful product that I got offered to be gifted. I jumped at this one because I had already been using this product anyway, and I already knew it and loved it. So that is the Australian Organic shampoo and conditioner and their Argan Oil serum, which I use in my hair as well. So you use that prior to heat styling your hair, or as soon as you've washed your hair and you get out the shower, run it through your fingers and through your hair as well. I think it's an excellent product. It's all organic, made from argan oil, makes my hair really silky soft. I actually was at the hairdresser, prior to being gifted to this, I was at the hairdresser and I was already using the shampoo and conditioner, and the hairdresser had said to me, does it annoy you how soft your hair is? And I sort of looked at her and went, no, because I was thinking in my head, like, isn't that the goal? Soft, silky hair. So healthy hair, I don't know. I thought that was what the aim was. So yeah, I found it really strange that she said that, but she did notice how soft and healthy my hair was, especially for someone who obviously lightens their hair as well. So I have a discount code for you guys, which is Corinne 95796. I've just popped it on the screen there. It'll be in my highlights in my link tree as well. So you'll get 20% off if you want to purchase some amazing shampoo and conditioner, the Australian Organic.